Hey guys, we are back with another video of Barber Masterclass. In this video, you will find the most attractive haircut transformation for you. If you are looking for best haircut idea for you, I think you are in the right place. Don't skip this video, watch this video till end. Wow, that was perfect mid-fade with chip of line.
You ain't getting no bitches with a patchy ass beard like this. And don't let your barber push your shit down like this. First step to fix this, I sculpt up the sides, then I'm gonna sculpt up that bottom, give him a nice chiseled look. Then I thin out that beard line, establish my bottom guideline, connect it to the top, then boom, that's the end look. If you're in Lower Maryland and wanna fix that patchy ass beard, click the link in the bio to book today. His hairline wild as shit. He got a bunch of overgrowth. He said other barbers leave that shit like this, or they just leave it crooked as fuck like this. So I'm gonna line it up nice and straight, then boom, that's the end look. If you're in Lower Maryland and want the best hairline, click the link in the bio to book today.
I want this to look a little fuller.
You heard the man, so it's time to get to work. So I'm gonna fade the sides up, then sculpt that bottom half. Razor is super natural. That's the end look with no enhancements. I left my boy with a super natural beard that looks a lot fuller and fits his face nice and right. If you're in Lower Maryland and want the best beard service, click the link in the bio to book today. I buzz it all the way high.
Yeah.
Got a lot of hair right now. What you trying to get done, bro?
First we'll start with the beard. Probably want this to look a little fuller. And then top, more like a slick back look. I got thinner hair. I think not really used to fades, but you know, man convinced me to do a little skin, a little low skin.
And I like buzz it all the way high. Yo,
I could have used it last night.
What are you thinking, bro?
Yo, honestly, I love it. Bro.
You know, honestly,
bro.
You love it?
I love it, bro.
This is a whole new man. He definitely got his confidence back. He's ready for the streets. I left the beard natural as heck. Gave him a nice clean look. If you're in Laurel, Maryland, want the best transformation, click the link in the bio to book today. If you got super straight hair like this, tell your barber to do this. Texturize the top to thin it out, then add some styling paste, scrunch it up for some curls for the girls. Now my boy is in there. If you're in Laurel, Maryland, click the link in the bio to book today. Did I push him back? Nah, but that's what y'all gonna say anyways, because he got a wild ass hairline. The way I prevent pushing him back is start in the middle, then I connect that middle to the corners, and boom, that's the end look. If you're in Laurel, Maryland, want the best hairline, click the link in the bio to book today. He got a patchy beard, and other barbers take that neckline way too high, giving it a turkey neck. Or they push that top line too low, giving a chin strap. So I make sure to line it up right at the Adam's apple, line it up super crispy and super natural, then boom, that's the end look. If you're in Laurel, Maryland, want the best beard, click the link in the bio to book today. This new client's beard has been untouched for 6 months and is light as fuck. And he's asking me to do Mission Impossible.
To look a little fuller.
But nothing's impossible for me, so I'm gonna fade the sides up, then sculpt that bottom half. Razor is super natural. That's the end look with no enhancements. I left my boy with a super natural beard that looks a lot fuller and fits his face nice and right. If you're in Laurel, Maryland, want the best beard service, click the link in the bio to book today.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get update for every new upload.